Very good evening to all. Very good evening. I hope I am audible to everyone. Very good evening. Geetanjali, very good evening. JT Traders, very good evening. Pavya, very good evening. Ayush Kumar, very good evening. Deepak, very good evening. Santya, very good evening. Dr. Vijay Kumar Vellai Sami, very good evening. I hope I am audible to everyone. Yes. Salvaraj, very good evening. Programming, very good evening. And Suthir, very good evening. Shanmukam Pillai, very good evening. Sheikh, very good evening. Anjugam, very good evening. Rohini, very good evening. Siddharth, very good evening. I hope I'm audible to everyone. Yes. Very good evening to one and all. So in this particular session, I'm going to discussing with you that data visualization by using the Matplotlib library. Okay. So when you are going to entering this particular data science and also the data analysis, that the analysis part is the most important things in data science technology. Okay, so data visualization is actually the most important part to exploring your data and also the analyzing your data. Right, to understand, my voice is very clear, I thought. My voice is very clear, I thought. Yes, very good evening. So data visualization is the most important part that is more helpful to exploring and visualizing and analyzing your data. When you are going to entering the visualization part, that visualization is plays the major important role to exploring your data, to understanding your data as well. So the data science part is actually that plays the major role for analyzing your data, that the data visualization to visualizing and exploring your data as well. Okay, exploring your data as well, that is the most important part. I hope I'm audible to you guys. Am I audible? Yeah, my voice is very clear, I thought. Yes. So the data visualization is a field that analyzing your data, which is the visual representation of your data, and it is the graphical representation of your data. It is the effective way to communicate with the people and communicate to interference from the data as well. So try to understand, guys, that data is the most important part to visualizing your data. And also when you are going to entering that just a minute, guys. Yeah. So we can get the visualization summary of our data with the help of the pictures and maps and also the graphs. And the human mind has that earlier time to processing and understanding of any given data. And the data visualization plays the significant role in the representation of the both the small and also the large amount of the data set as well. With the help of the matplotlib and also the cbond, we can visualizing your data and we can exploring your data more. Okay, we can exploring your data more. And for an example, I want to exploring my data in a very easiest way. In this, and that time we can use this particular library to visualizing your data, guys. Okay, right. So the Python offers that several plotting libraries, like namely Matplotlib and also the cbond. So today I'm going to discussing with you that that Matplotlib library to visualizing your data. Okay, today I'm going to discussing with you that Matplotlib library. So what is the Matplotlib library? So Matplotlib library is the Python library. It is used for the data visualization. They have the inbuilt module for plotting and a different graphical representation, and it is a customizable and pair well with the pandas and also the numpy for the exploratory data analysis, and it is used for that line plotting, bar plotting, and scatter plotting. Okay, and the matplot library which is works with the data set and also the arrays as well. Just a minute, guys. Yes, and this particular matplot library which is more helpful for the visualizing your data, and we have the several plotting types is available in matplot library. For an example, line plotting, bar plotting, scatter plotting, and the histogram plotting, distribution plotting, all the plottings is available. Okay, all the plottings is available. So yes, so all the plottings is available with the help of the matplot library. So we have the one by one optional as well that I am going to discussing with you guys. Okay, and you can see this one. This all are the the types of the plottings is available, that line plotting, pie plotting, and bar plotting, and scatter plotting like this. And what is line plotting? So we have the functionalities the dot plot, and dot show will help to show the plottings, and you can see this one, and so how to put the name of this particular plottings, these all are the things I am going to discussing with you. So without delay, I am going to show the example for one by one plottings and try to understand, guys. Today also I'm not feeling well because of still I'm facing some physical issues, so for that I will be explained a very faster way. After that you can understand, I will be explained for understandable way as well. Okay, still I'm not feeling very well, so I'm facing some physical issues, I'm suffering that still fever. So yes, yes, now I open the Google Collaboratory notebook. Okay, yes, now how to installing this particular package. So this is the way to installing this particular package. Pip install Matplotlib. Okay, this is the way to installing this particular that packages as well. So this is the way to installing this particular package, and how to importing this particular package. That is the question, right? So import matplotlib.pyplot as a PLT. Okay, so matplotlib.pyplot.plt. So this is a way to importing this particular that package, and numpy is sometimes is needed for creating the array. So for that only I'm going to importing that particular numpy as well. Right. So first of all, what is the optional for these particular that line plotting? So x is equal to, okay, so x is equal to numpy arrays 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and y is equal to numpy dot array of 20 80 60 120 and 100. And this is the way to that this is the data we are going to making the plotting as well. So now you can see this one. I'm going to creating the line plotting. So PLT dot plot x comma y comma the marker is actually star. Guys, sorry guys, I cannot make the live properly today because of I cannot make it continuously like that explaining this one. So sorry for that. That the session will be postponed today because of I can't manage right now. I hope you guys are understood about this one. Sorry for this because of continuously 3 days leave. So for that only I came live today, but I can't make it very properly because of I feel like that little bit uh, too much tired, and also the little bit drizzling is there. So for that, uh, this session will be postponed to tomorrow itself, guys. I cannot make it properly because of I feel like right now little bit drizzling. So continuously I can't speak. Uh, 3 days live only I came, so but I cannot make it very properly. Uh, Sorry guys, we'll see you tomorrow with the same topic because I can't make it properly. Try to understand, and maybe you guys are understood about this while I'm handling this one. Sorry for that, and thank you so much, guys. Thank you.